Hello everyone and welcome to Python tutorial series. Today is day 7 and in this video we will be working on string slicing. I'm sure by now you must be knowing what is string slicing. So string is anything which is in text and then slicing is like cutting it between or by any number which you want out of that string. So before we actually jump on the actual Google Colab, right? I want to flip back to the another sheet over here on the Excel. I have a little exercise ready for this session today. So for example, over here, you can see my name, which is Nishant, Nishant. And in Python, the index starts from 0, not from 1. So typically, N will get the indexing of 0. And similarly, I will get 1, S will get 2, H will get 3, A will get 4, N again get 5, and then T will get 6. Now what we are going to do, we are going to slice this particular text, Nishant, and we have to do three things over here. How can we get the NIS in code? How can we get HANT? And how can we get NISHANT? So let's now jump on Google Colab. My internet is as usually little slow, so bear with me. Right, new notebook, close this. Yeah, so I'm going to change it to string slicing, and text would be string slicing, right? Okay. Now before we do that, we have to call something which is string. Let me put a name over here. In double quote, let's put Nishant because that's what we are going to work upon today. Run it, right? So cancel, that's fine. What's happening? Delete, delete, and delete. Hopefully it will work now. Cool. It's connected now. It has run. Now what we have to do, we have to slice this, right? So I'm going to put a print command over here, sorry, in small letters, and say name. Can someone guess like what we are going to get now? The complete name over here, that is Nishant as the output. Now I have to slice it, right? So I want to slice name by, let's say, we know that Nishant index start from 0. So from 0 to, let's say, in Excel we can flip back till T has the index of 6. So if I say 6 over here, can you guess that should we get the Nishant complete name over here or something else? Actually, before I run it, let me tell you, we will not get the T which is at the last, like, which is 6 over here by index. The reason is because when we run 0 to 6 over here, the 6 is actually excluded. So we have to add 1 to it and make sure that we run it till 7. I'll show you what we will get when we run 6 as well, but let me show you this as of now. So you get complete Nishant. Let me run now 6 here. Print name 0 to 6, right? So we are going to get only NISHAN, not T. The reason, as I mentioned before, the 6 will be excluded. So always when you take, like, when you have to run the complete name, either go by this method or go by this method. There are multiple ways to actually run it. I'll show you one more way to do that. And that way is print name, and that's it. There's another way. Let me show you. Go there, print name colon to 7. it will still run. So that means anything which is before, take everything, right, before the column, and then till 7 index, right? Same way you can run this 0 to 6 as well, but as I mentioned before, it will not include um, the last t. So if I run it like with this, with colon and 6, it will run, but we will not have t over here, right? So this is the way we do slicing. Let's work on the rest of the command. So I think we somehow covered this piece, the question number 3. Let's work on the first one, how to get NIS, right? So let me go over there, put a text here, right? Now I'm going to print name. Can you tell me? So basically to start from 0 and NIS is 2. So to include S over here, I have to jump to 3. So that 2 is included, right? So 0 to 3. So now we have NIS, right? Same way, if we have to take this one, right? Go back, click on the text. Now I would say print name. Now I know H will start from 3. The starting won't miss. So 3 till 7, right? To include T, we have to hit 7. Let's look at the number or the outcome. It's HANT. So this way we can actually slice the string, right? There's one more piece, since I mean it's not part of the session, but let's cover that as well. Someone can come and ask me, because you have this in Excel and you have noted down the indexes over here, how would I ever know that what is the length of my particular text? So there is a code for that as well. I'll show you over here. Go to the bottom, right? So you can do something called len. So print len, right? And then in bracket name. So it will give you 7. So that means this is the length. So you know that the length start from 1, not from 0. So this way we have 7 over here. So in terms of the indexes, it will start from 0 and until and on 6, right? Cool. Okay. There's one more concept I actually want to touch base on. So let's say I give them an indexing of, let's say from here, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. This is called negative index. Okay. Now these are also the index associated with these letters over here, or these strings, right? Or these text, I would say. Now we can actually use these indexes as well to get to the numbers. So for example, let me go to little top, right? So where we ran NIS using this one, let's put another code over here with negative indexing. So here we use 0 till 3, right? Similarly, we can use -7 to -4. So -7 to -4, it should give us the same result. Let's see. We got the NIS, right? Similarly, we have over here. Same way to get HANT, I can just go over here, add a code line here, say print name. So for HANT, we did 3 to 7. So that is this 3 to 7. Here we'll do -4 to -1, because we don't have to do 0 over here. We know 0 is not a negative number. So -4 to -1. Let's see what we are going to get. Sorry. So to avoid this issue, what we can do, we can write another code here and just remove -1. So print anything after -4. Oh, my bad. Print name. So if I run this one, we get HANT, right? So this way we cover string slicing as well.